Yeah, yeah, yo. Check the strategy, simple and clean. Pine tree in the building, the trading machine. I'm looking at the charts, not for no drama, just for that sweet setup. Call it the inside bar gamma. It's a tight squeeze, a moment of pause, breaking to the upside or the downside without flaws. It's my bread and butter, my daily routine, capturing them moves, living the dream. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pinning trees on the road, putting skills to the test. Yeah. See, the market's a jungle full of noise and of fakes, but I'm focused on the signals, for goodness sakes. That inside bar forms a sign of compressed mic. I wait for the breakout, then I'm in with all my might. Small moves, big impact, stacking every single day. Cashing out that profit, there's no other way. They talk about the long game, the big wild swing, but I'm here for the consistency that daily payouts bring. Daily payouts, that's the motto, that's the creed. Planting these seeds, watching the money tree feed. With Take Profit Trader, got my account on lock. Apex Trader, no time to watch the clock. My funded futures account is looking so blessed. Pinning trees on a roll, putting skills to the test. Yeah, yeah. From the start of the session to the end of the line, I'm scaling and I'm swinging, making every penny mine. Don't need 100 points to feel a success, just a few ticks of profit to feel truly blessed. I'm a funded king with a plan so clear. No fear in this game, cause the strategy is here. Yeah, Monetary Trader, you know the name. Daily payouts, ain't it a shame that others are struggling, playing their silly games, while I'm on top, fueling the flames. Take Profit, Apex, my funded, yeah, you heard me right. Staying on that grind from the morning till the night, yeah. Daily payouts. Yeah. Yeah. See, the mark is a jungle full of noise and of fakes, but I'm focused.
Yo, what is up? What's up? What's up? Alright, get the chat pulled up here, see what you guys are doing. Lay in the house, Disturbed, what is up? Day was good. Had a great day. Not a huge day. Very solid base hits. Let's go, Disturbed. Appreciate you. Real robot in the house. Done trading your PAs for the week. We'll try to get some more evals for next week. Nice. Yeah, TPT Pro's looking good. TPT Pro's looking good. Kind of just took the base hits. Is there any prop firms that allows overnight swing trading? Pip Hunter. I don't know. I don't know personally. I don't know. Maybe someone in the chat might know, but I don't know any. They used to be. Bulenox used to have one, but they don't have one anymore. What's up, JLD54 in the house? What's up? What's up, Armin in the house. Have you taken any trades? Market isn't open yet. Rock Driller, what's going on? Happy Thanksgiving to you guys. Mr. Tactical in the house. Yeah, Harrison. I'm pretty tempted to load up on some Apexes as well. Good deal going on. I don't know why it does that sometimes. So I had a pretty good day. So the market ripped at the open. Check out the deal going on with Apex. Also, right now, Funded Next has a good deal going on. You can use Pine 30. I just got my code with them pretty much today. So I have not traded with Funded Next yet, but a lot of people are. So anyways, there's that. Pine 30 for that. Apex. Here's the Apex deal. 80% off all activations, all evals, 100K special offers, $59.40 for the eval, $10 for the PA, $69.40 for all in on 100K accounts. Everything else is 80% off with a $40 activation fee. So, pretty cool. Also, Lucid. Screen's all weird. Hold on. Sorry, guys. For some reason... For some reason the screen is all weird. There we go. That's a little better. All right, sorry. Anyways, Lucid coming out with some new stuff. Announcing it on officially on Friday. So we can talk about that. They're changing their funded accounts to 40% consistency. Not the direct to funded, but the pro accounts. They're trading them to making it 40% instead of the 35%. So that's good. Did I see this Top Step meltdown? I heard something about it. Yeah, it crashed again. Top Step crashed. Yeah. Yo, it's Mo, bro. What is up? Yes, futures will be open, John King. Yeah, futures will be open. The stock market will not. What's up, Miss K? Never seen the chat rage like that. Oh, boy. Oh, nice, Tomas. What's PA stand for? Funded account. Yeah, performance. Yeah, exactly. Rule. Performance account, which is the funded. Design knob in the house. What's going on? Smash that like button if you guys are just tuning in. All right, market's going to open up here. I do want to talk about some of the changes with Lucid that it's coming up. We'll do that in a little bit. We'll wait for the market to open here. I think you guys will like some of the changes that Lucid made. What's up, Knob? All right, market's open, guys. Good luck. All right, pushing up. Typical. Seems like every single night, market just pushes up right off the rip. What's up, Chris Knopf? Top said just reset 2 of your accounts after issue today. It'd be nice if I had my XFA reset from yesterday. How come they couldn't have problems yesterday? I blew that sucker on my own. Maybe I'll get another free reset in my dashboard though. Yeah, I had that XFA that I blew yesterday. All right, market pushing up here and then just kind of stalling out. I really don't know what to expect tonight. You know, obviously the futures market's open. It's open until what, noon, 1 o'clock tomorrow, something like that. But the stock market's closed. Obviously, bank holiday, I believe. So, be interesting. What's gold doing? Wow, it's like the market's frozen. I'm literally looking at my screens like, do I still have internet? Am I still online? Like, what the heck's going on? Like, I'm literally like, am I still streaming? Like, I felt like just time just stopped. And then I looked at my clock and the clock's still going. I was like, okay. Yeah, you too. Yeah. I'm like, it's like everything just froze. Boy, I hope tonight's not, if it's like this, guys, this stream, it's going to be a short stream. It's going to be a short stream. I was skeptical. I go, well, what is this going to be? But we'll hang out for a while. Plus, I want to talk about the Lucid stuff. So, if you guys are wondering, Lucid, if you're wondering if like the trading day, like which trading days count. So, if you're trading with Rhythmic, this is for Lucid only. If you're trading with Rhythmic, Thursday and Friday count as one single trading day. So tonight, tomorrow, Friday counts as one single trading day if you're trading with Rhythmic. Project X, Thursdays and Fridays count as two individual trading days. This is with Lucid. Tradeovate, Thursday and Friday count as one single trade day. So I just want to let you guys know that, because oftentimes you wonder, like, does this count as a trading day or what's going on, you know? So only if you're trading with Project X, it counts as two individual trading days, basically. Everything else, Thursday and Friday, counts as one. Yeah, Krishnov, yep. Wow, the market is dead. Let's take a look at gold. Gold pushing higher. Gold pushing higher. Nasdaq kind of pulling back here some. Looking like it wants to test the VWAP. There goes Nasdaq. Gold's pushing higher, 4,200. Gold. Nasdaq sitting at 25,332. Market's about ready to sleep. I know, Christoph. This is crazy. Jakku. Yeah, it's dead. Let's talk about this. So, major announcements, right, for Lucid. So if you guys are trading with Lucid, or if you like to try Lucid, you know, they got pretty good deals going on, but making some improvements, in my opinion. There's one thing I don't really like. We can talk about it. Excuse me. So they're introducing a new plan. It's called the Lucid Flex. This starts Friday, I believe. So on Friday, goes on sale Friday. The Lucid Flex is no DLL, no consistency, unfunded, and no buffer. So I don't really know the details yet. Well, you can kind of see the details right here. So here's the details. The evals will have a 50% consistency. So this is a new plan. They still got the pro plan. They still got the straight to funded plans. So no consistency once funded. Remove the payout buffer. No more DLL. So pretty sweet. And you can see the plans and what the pricing is going to be. Pretty nice pricing to start. I like their prices. So this goes live Friday. And then there's changes to the Pro. So the Pro is the test accounts. Once you get funded, so they call them the Lucid Pros now. So Lucid Pro, they're going to call them Lucid Pro Evals, Lucid Pro Funded. And basically, they changed their name, and there's going to be 40% consistency once you're funded instead of the 35. So that's better for us, right? We like that. But there's a little bit of a price change. It looks like they're going to be a little more money. So they bumped the price up just a little bit for the base. They've also increased number of live accounts. So if you become a live trader, you can trade up to 5 live accounts. Like Take Profit Trader does that. So Take Profit Trader, you can copy trade 5 live accounts. Lucid, you're going to be able to do that as well. So 5 live accounts with Lucid. So that's pretty sweet. And also a little bit of a price increase with their 150K Lucid direct accounts. It's a little bit of a price increase for the direct accounts. Okay, so they are going to, for the Lucid Flex and Lucid Pro, they are going to be 90-10 profit split. So no more first 100% on the first 10,000. So this is after 11/27 and 11/28. So if you have accounts after these dates, 11/27, which is tomorrow or Friday, then it's no longer the first 100%. You get to keep the 10,000. It's all going to be 90-10 split. So, you know, not really in our favor on that one, but. And some changes with the live program. Like I said, there's 5. You can trade up to 5 accounts. There's an 80-20 split. And so that's according to CME, requires 80-20 profit split on live profits shared with the firm. So these are for this is for live accounts. There's also a change where if you become a live trader, apparently they've been having a lot of people YOLOing the accounts, or just to trigger the escrow or bonuses. And what happens is that people are just like pass or smashing their live accounts. Basically, they're not being able to keep people in their live accounts because they're just YOLOing it. And so what they're trying to do is in your live account, you have to trade the account for 10 days. Reach a $10,000 profit, but if you are trading small, they're going to be looking at an individual basis. If you are trading small and responsibly, they're not going to make you try to get to 10,000 before you can make a withdrawal to your live account. It's trying to prevent people from YOLOing the account, basically. If you take a full payout and exit the live account, there'll be a cooling off period before you can enter the simulated phase. There will be a town hall on Discord at 4 p.m. Eastern. I'll put that in the chat. So if you guys want to check that out, so that's on Friday. There'll be a town hall talking about the changes. Overall, I think the changes are pretty positive. But I mean, they're not. It's not bad, right? It's not bad. So, anyways, I just wanted to let you guys know, if you guys are interested in Lucid, use my code Pine. They are becoming one of my favorite new prop firms for sure. I've been slaying the payouts with them, and matter of fact, I just locked up 2 more payouts, I think, with them today. So I've actually been crushing it. Donna in the house. Eldo, what is up? Sherry, happy Thanksgiving. Sorry, I was reading all this stuff. The market was just absolutely dead. Pine, what a name. You know what a pine tree is? I don't know, Nickwood. So I got my name because I'm from the Pine Tree State. That's, yeah. What do you need to get to a payout with them? So it's 5 days of $100 or more. Stay under 35% consistency. Right now, it's going to change to 40% consistency. I believe it's 3,100 with a 50K, and you can withdraw 1,500. I believe something like that. So you guys know I've gotten 15,000 in payouts with Lucid in the last 30 days. Split the sim profits. I know, design. Yeah. It's end of day drawdown, Young Kong. Thank you, Real Robot. Let's go. Investors. Yes, 37 watching. I mean, 130 watching, 37 likes. Smash that like button. Thank you so much, guys. Pine tree is a native tree in, I'm guessing, was that New Zealand? NZ? New Zealand? Yeah, New Zealand. Nice. Welcome. Yeah, pine trees. So I live in the state of Maine. Or I'm from the state of Maine. And so the yeah, they call it the Pine Tree State. So yeah, Pine Tree Trader. What size lucids am I running? So I right now I have one 150K and two 50Ks. I have gotten this. I have gotten let's pull it up since you guys are interested in lucid. And the market looks like it's just stupid. So I've gotten 3 payouts out of this one 150K direct to funded account. I've gotten 3 payouts out of this one. This one's beautiful. These two 50Ks are right at payout now. So I'm just working on my, oops. I don't know why I did that. I'm working on my getting my days in, so I need 8 days. 5 days of $100 or more. There's no flipping rule with Lucid either. So no flipping rule. So you can see all my payouts right here are all from 150K accounts. See the LTD 150. So all these 3,000, 3,000, 3,000, 3,000, 3,000, all from 150Ks. But I just qualified for 2 more payouts with the Lucid Pro accounts. So here's the 50K Pro accounts. I'm under the consistency, which is 45%. I've hit my profit target. And I've gotten my 5 days of $100 or more. The other cool thing about Lucid, guys, is that they have a real-time dashboard on their end. So if you pass an account, so if you pass one of their evals, you can activate it same day. So if you bought a 50K eval right now and you somehow magically was able to pass it in this market right now, you can actually activate it into the funded account same day. So anyways, that's my spiel on Lucid. I know they just so yeah, we'll see. Some good changes, some not so good changes, but overall I think it's okay. I've seen worse. Gold spread is crazy. Yeah, there's just no volume. Feeling full porting Thanksgiving gold long here. Let's go. Unfunded or just the eval, Young Kong? You asking about the the drawdown? It's all end of days. It's all end of day drawdown. No intraday. Do you use MACD, RSI, or anything, or just the VWAP? So I just use the VWAP, but I trade inside bars, outside bars, Harami candles, bull flags, bear flags. initial balance breaks, things like that. Do you get to straight to funded? So I did. I had 3 straight to funded Lucid accounts, the 150Ks, and got payouts on all of them. But then I just I was feeling a little cheap, I guess, and I just wanted to buy some 50K test accounts, and I bought 2 test accounts and passed those, and then got those to pay out. So I've been I don't know what it is. I've just been on fire with Lucid. Definitely had a very good ROI with Lucid. But I like the reason why I like the 150K direct to funded accounts is because you get a $6,000 in drawdown. $6,000 in drawdown is really good. Considering if you buy a 150K test account, you're gonna get, what is it, 4,000, 4,500 in drawdown. So the direct accounts, yeah, 4,500 in drawdown. With the direct accounts, you get $6,000 in drawdown. So as you can see here. So here's the test. So they will be adding that Lucid Flex on Friday. But you guys see the test right here is 4,500, and if you go to direct, it's 6,000. Now you do have to have it is a 20% consistency on the funded, but 20% on a 150K to get to $9,000 to be able to withdraw a $3,000 buffer, to withdraw sorry, I cannot speak. To withdraw $3,000 for a payout is $1,800 a day, so that's a good chunk. Nice. New Zealand in the house. His Royal Trade's in the house. Happy Thanksgiving. Yes, happy Thanksgiving, everyone. If you guys celebrate Thanksgiving, hope you guys enjoy the holiday. Hope you get to spend some time with some family, some friends, all that good stuff. There is no volume right now. Can you go buy a funded account and not do the evaluation? Yes, HR, yeah. Yes, you can use my code. Use code PINE for all of Lucid. And that'll get you the best deals. And just help support the channel. Markets are closed. It makes you very sad. Well, futures market will be open. But, yeah, yeah, like his rule says, futures are open till 1 p.m. But if the market's just going to do this, it's not going to be very much fun. Let's go, Tomas. 1 Lucid, 1K payout, locked in. 2 more, just needing one $50 day. Let's go. How many accounts can you have? So with Lucid, you can have 5 funded accounts. You can have 5 funded accounts. Oh, it's playing against your rolling rules? Oh, okay, yeah. No, don't take my signals. No, not in this market. I'm already not liking it. I made a quick scalp off screen there just to try to get my $100 day in, but that was it. I'm looking at this and going, this is crap. Let's take a look at gold here. Gold might move. Oof. 3 consecutive inside bars in a row. So one thing I can say, so a little tip with Nasdaq. This is not financial advice or anything, but when you get holidays like what's going on right now, and the market, so like say tomorrow morning, if you decide that you want to trade or tune into the market, if you start seeing a trending market where it starts to trend to either the downside or the upside, it can just kind of slowly trend and drift in that direction. This is just something that I've seen, you know, a bunch of times, like every single holiday, and it'll just do that slow drift. So just keep that in mind if you guys are trading. If the market starts to pick a direction, it's best to just kind of stick with it, I guess, but that's kind of what I do. My friend is NQ and I'm NQ sometimes. Yes, that's it. This ain't right. Who has the best deal in straight to fund is right now? I would probably maybe Tradeify. Tradeify is 40% off all accounts, I believe. Let me check to see what the price is compared to Lucid. No more advanced plans with Tradeify. No one was using them, I guess. It's funny, let's compare them. So these are the Lucid Directs here. And this is Tradeify. So they got the 25Ks here. So Tradeify is a little bit cheaper. Tradeify is a little bit cheaper. Oh, I just screwed up my screen again. Damn it. Oh, yeah, guys, market is not doing anything. You guys want to do a cash giveaway? How about for like 30 bucks? $30, that's enough to get in like an Apex account, right? Gotta have PayPal or Cash App though. Exclamation point pine in the chat. We'll do a giveaway for Turkey Day. We'll give it like 30 minutes. We'll do it top of the hour. Thank you guys so much for the support this year. I am thankful for you guys and helping my channel grow. Smashing that like button. Moosh Race, maybe his Royal Trades. I got something else that we can do. It will be a race, but I got something special. 'Tis the season. We gotta get those likes up though, right? Go ahead and smash that like button. We will do a giveaway here in about 30 minutes. Market's a little... The market's already eaten its turkey and it's taking a nap. What's up, Todd? What's up, guys? Is Keegan in the house? Turkey shoot? That would be fun. Am I live tomorrow? No. I'm thinking I'm taking tomorrow off. Yeah, I think I'll be back on Sunday night. I think I need a little break. This is gonna be like my little extended weekend for the stream goes. Yeah, I think I'll come back Sunday night. Market's trying to push up here, bouncing off that VWAP. Hey, Corey the phone trader in the house. What is going on? Market got the meat sweats and Tony. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. I didn't really know what to expect tonight. I figured there'd be some movement, but nothing like this. This is garbage. You think we can reach 26K tonight? You never know, Coach Fred. You never know. All right, pulling back to the VWAP once again. What is gold up to? Whew, a little bit of movement on gold here. Nice inside bar breaks. I didn't have the balls to take it though. Maybe gold's the play. Maybe MGC might be a little more liquid. The spread might not be as wide. Exclamation point pine in the chat. We're gonna do a $30 cash giveaway, PayPal or Cash App. Please please have one of those too. What else can we look for? See if anything else is moving. What's crude doing? Crude's doing nothing. Let's look to see here. Let's see what else. Live cattle. Not really. What about lean hogs? Lean hogs looking bullish. Nat gas? Yeah, sorta. Let's take a look at silver. Silver's pretty flat. The micro gold. Gold pushing down here. A little inside bar on gold here, but I don't know. I don't like it. It just broke to the downside and it's already trying to push back up. Nasdaq just stuck right in the middle here. Full pour lean hogs, yeah. Yeah, I'm not sitting, didn't look like lean. Yeah, lean hogs looks very bullish. It just jumped 81.50 to 81.67. Better go stockpiling the bacon. Platinum here. I guess you can't trade micro Bitcoin. A lot of these firms, they don't allow you to trade Bitcoin. which is weird. Nice little bounce here off gold. Yeah, Cody. Yeah, for sure. Yeah. Pull up Bitcoin here. I don't even know if this is the right. Lean Hong's only trades there in New York till 2 p.m. Oh, thank you, JLD54. Hey, Ad Scalper, what is going on? Hope you guys doing all right. Market is completely dead tonight. We're gonna do a little giveaway in about 15 minutes. Exclamation point pine in the chat. We'll do a little cash giveaway, $30. Must have PayPal or Cash App, please. Yeah, Cody. I think the goal for the whole BDH channel. Now I'm not. I don't know anything. This is just my opinion, completely speculation. I don't know anything. It's just I think the goal is to create like a media type company where you can have people like D Money on the stream, and PW doesn't have to do as much streaming. I think that's might be his goal. But like I said, I don't really know anything about it, and so. We'll see. I mean, he found a gem there with D Money. I'm not gonna lie, that dude's awesome. I watch him all the time. The market closes at 1 tomorrow in the afternoon. Guys, got any questions for me? I'm kind of an open book, so if you guys ask away, I mean, if you want to ask a celebrity, a YouTube celebrity, any questions, now's the time. I'm just joking. How? Oh, 3, 4, 5. Well, what's the saying? It's little, but it's cute. It's little, but it's cute. And I don't overcompensate by buying fancy vehicles. So I don't know. That's like kind of a mixed message. Oh, gotta do Visa gift cards. Yeah. How do you pass the 9K target on 115? Seems so big. Usually, I use anywhere between 1 to 5 minis. I generally so full transparency and honest. Like when it comes to evals, I do not take my time with them. I kind of smash or pass them, but I have a pretty good win rate when it comes to evals. I generally pass anywhere between 1 and 3 evals. 1 out of 3 by smashing or passing. If I could pass like 1 out of 2, but that'd be nice. But usually about 1 out of every 3 if I trade them super aggressively. And then I generally pass them in the time that the minimum amount of time. So I'm trading them right around the New York Open and like 1 to 5 minis usually for 150Ks. You famous but no one knows it yet? Nice, Harrison. D Money, I think he's just on Patrick's now. Yeah. That's What's up with Methodical Man? He's on. He's been on. He's been on. So he's a host. Methodical is a host on My Fun and Futures TV now. I have not bought any Apex 100Ks yet. No. No. No 100Ks yet. Making money? Yeah, I just qualified for another 2 payouts, 2%. So yeah, making some money today. Also have actually 3 payouts. I get this beautiful pro account up to $3,633. So that's what, $1,600 over the buffer. So I could qualify for $1,600 payout there. So we'll see if I'm gonna build that up anymore or if I'm just gonna take some payout tonight. I don't really know. I don't think so, Fred. You know, I didn't even know he streamed. He does have an X account if you guys want to follow D Money on X. I think it's Demarius Trades. Something like that, Demarius. Matter of fact, give me a follow on X. How about that, too? I'm trying to get my X followers built up. I think it's, let me see. Yeah, Demarius Trades, if you guys want to follow him on X. There's D Money. I'll give him a shout out. I think he's a cool dude. Thanks for the follows, guys. What's my plans for Thanksgiving? Probably not a whole lot. Just gonna like hang out with family and yeah, just kind of take it easy. No big plans. I'm looking at taking a trip, hopefully after the new year. I'm hoping to take a little vacation trip. Never gonna follow back from me? Swirl trays? It's not like me. Oh, there you are. There we go. I don't follow too many people, but my mod and my channel, I definitely want to follow. All right, getting a little push up here. Nasdaq, did we take a little stab off that outside bar? Yeah, for sure. We need like Trading Buddy just says we need Trump to say something. Yeah, for sure. We need Trump to say something. Let's take a long off this outside bar. Let's see if we push up here. Do not follow this trade. This is pure tradertainment. And hopefully I'm on the right account. Yes, I am. Okay. So here's the thinking. We swept the low, or swept down here with that outside bar. I'm just going long off that outside bar, basically. Let's see if we can get a little push, make new highs. What prop firm? So I'm not giving away an account. I'm giving away cash, allied. I'm gonna give away $30. $30 cash giveaway, guys. PayPal or Cash App. I have no accounts to give away at the moment, so $30 cash. I don't know how you invest, since I don't know futures trading is different than investing. Yeah, Michael Anthony. So futures trading for me is just a day trading. So it's not an investment really. It's just I'm just trying to get payouts from these prop firm companies, and then I take payouts, and then I just pay my bills, and then it's just, we're basically 1099 employees essentially. So we're self-employed 1099, and you get payouts, and then I take that money and I invest into my own accounts with just traditionally. Anyone from Washington in here? Crazy situation. Hey, TJP, happy Thanksgiving to you too. Is electricity tax deduction for me? No, like you can write off like home offices and things like that, but yeah, I leave that stuff to the accountant. Internet, things like that, you can write off certain percentages. So I don't know how electricity fits the bill, but yeah. It's always percentages of stuff. Well, alright, we're not getting that push, but stops there at 317, so we'll see if we come down and take that out. If not, then kind of testing that VWAP now. Right, yeah, it's based on like square footage, things like that. Home office. Yep. All right, bouncing off that VWAP. Yeah, maybe TJP. So I'm long based off this outside bar, but we could just completely just do the why isn't my hotkeys working? Why is it doing that? I don't know why. Is there something up with Tradeovate where sometimes the hotkeys work and sometimes they don't? And then you gotta like reset. Like, see, I just refreshed and then they work. Hopefully we don't just chop this range. If we come back down to the bottom of this range and then take my stop out. But basically I'm just looking for that little break of that outside bar there to hopefully take out the ORB. Now let's talk about my trades this morning. Let's talk about the trades this morning. Looks, I still have my fib up. So I took a few trades this morning. The first trade I took was the inside bar, the very first inside bar. Let's go to the Nasdaq. So I took this inside bar long. Took it for about 20 points or so on a few accounts. And what I do is I look for the very first inside bar. It's very volatile. And I just basically took the break. It's a negative R&R. I ended up placing a stop below. And then just looking for 20 points. Or sometimes I'll look for like a 1-to-1. Sometimes. But I just took 20 points out of this one. And then we put in this out. We made a new high here. And then I took it down short off this outside bar. Knowing, or not knowing, but with the assuming that we were going to take out the opposite side of this inside bar. Because just from like watching the first inside bar so often that we can reverse it pretty quickly, right? So I took to 20 points, it put in a reversal on this outside bar. I went short and it flushed down and I took profit on this inside bar. And that was it. And I did that with 3 micros. Basically, I was just trading 3 micros. Those are the major trades I took. And then I was pretty much done for the rest of the day. I went to the gym after that. We got stopped out. Yeah, we're just kind of playing that range. I'm done. I'm not going to trade this. Let's do a giveaway, guys. This is crap. Not just because I took a losing trade, but it's just the price action's just no good. Don't like it. All right, guys, I'll give you 3 more minutes. All right, let's go 6:05. 6:05 up here in the top, and I'm closing the giveaway. So exclamation point Pine. This is for a $30 in cash, PayPal or Cash App. I just want to thank you guys. Give you guys a little something. You guys can buy an account with it. Probably like a Bulanox or an Apex account right now. 80% off Apex accounts when you use code PINE, and $69.74 all-in costs over 100K accounts for Apex when you use code PINE. And TPT right now, 30% off, no activation fee. And if you pass the account, get a funded account, and then make it to a payout, you get that account refunded back to you with TPT. So use code PINE with that. Trade day. Don't know if there's any major deals with trade day right now, but you guys know the deal. They have end of day accounts, static accounts, day one payouts, daily payouts. That's trade day PINE with a capital P. That's the only weird one, just PINE with a capital P. So what else? So I am affiliated with Funded Next now, finally. We'll see how that goes. I am currently not, I haven't traded with them yet, but I know a lot of you guys do trade with Funded Next. So if you guys are trading with Funded Next, you can use code PINE30 for the latest deal, I guess. It's PINE30. And that is, I don't even know much about their accounts. I'm gonna get familiar with them over the weekend, but funded next futures 25K account, $63.99. This is for the legacy accounts, and it's for new users, and you can use code PINE30. So PINE30. So they said they're gonna give me a trial period for my affiliate, so we'll see how that works out. And yeah, no Black Friday deals with Trade Day yet, but the 30% off, no activation fee is still going on. So yeah, that's about it. All right, what do we got going? What time is it? All right, 30 more seconds, guys. Exclamation point Pine. KDP, you like the legacy accounts? Okay, thank you. Yeah, I'm gonna look into them over the weekend. Probably pick up some accounts to trade myself. So that is a good point, Golden. Lucid is gonna raise their prices slightly, so if you guys want their deal right now, use code PINE for Lucid. I appreciate the support. Also, with my funded futures, use code PINE all the time for my funded futures, even though they don't really give out discounts anymore, but when you put in my code, it helps support this channel. I get credit for it, and hopefully my funded futures will keep me on for quite some time. Well, we'll see. We don't really know what's going on in the future with that, but for the time being, please use my code. I appreciate it. All right, let's see. Let's do a race. I want to be in the race. All right. Closing entries. Let's go. Smash that like button too, guys, please. 163 of you in the chat or in the race. And how many likes do we got? I hope we got at least. All right, 140. That's pretty good. Thank you, guys. That's not bad. Let's do a turkey race, guys. Let's do a turkey race. Oh, nice KDP. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look into them. So yeah, good luck. So this is for a $30 from me, cash, to the winner. Do what you want with it. Hopefully you can buy a Apex account, a Belanox account, and then use code PINE. I appreciate that too. If you want to just go buy yourself a 6-pack, I mean, do that. I don't care. Must have PayPal or Cash App. I cannot. If you guys win the race and you don't have that, either PayPal or Cash App, then I can't help you. We'll just have to do another race or something. So it must be present to win. So good luck, everyone. Here we go. It's the turkey race. All right, we got Cranston White. We got Standard Biz. We got Coach Fred. I see up Raw Durin. We got Achilles up in the lead. We got Godwin pushing up. Quick Vibe. They're fighting for that lead here. Disturbed out in the front. I see Harrison way up in the back there, just hanging out. We got Trader Oz trying to make a run. We got 17 seconds. Who's it gonna be? Oh, Mr. Tactical! Mr. Tactical, let's go! A member. I love it when a member wins. Congratulations. Let's go. Congrats, congrats. That's pretty awesome. Congratulations. Mr. Tactical, you're in the Discord, right? No, you're not. Here. Just have you send me an email. $345. This market is garbage. See how it's just like chopping on the VWAP? It's just like going sideways. So there's just no trade. Yeah, just no trade. I tried one trade there. It was trash. But yeah, we just gone sideways. Yeah, just send me a Mr. Tactical, send me an email right there, pinetreetrader207@gmail.com, and just let me know your PayPal or Cash App, please. Your PayPal, email, or Cash App. These chickens have large talons. Hey, NQD, what is up? Yeah, Ragnarok, it is dead. The market is dead. So yeah, we're just kind of hanging out. We were talking about Lucid and a couple of the props, some of the deals going on, some of the changes that's coming. We just did a turkey race. Let's go, Sean. Thank you so much. What time is the market close tonight? It closes tomorrow. Right around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Markets close at 11:50 Central Time tomorrow and also Friday. So 11:50 Central Time. And like I said, with Lucid, if you guys are trading with Lucid, if you're trading with Lucid, rhythmic traders with Lucid, Thursday and Friday count as one single trading day. If you're trading with Project X with Lucid, it counts as 2 trading days, Thursday and Friday. And if you're trading with Tradeovate, it is Thursday and Friday. It counts as 1 single trading day. I'm gonna put the Discord in the link in the chat there. If you guys want to join the Discord, there's the link. Jay Styles in the house. What is up? Few Jay Styles, yeah. Few Black Friday sales with Apex, Funded Next. We'll have some My Funded Future announcements on Black Friday, I think, too. But yeah. Oh, maybe. I was just going off from the announcement from Trade Day. So off the CME website, I'd probably go off that. Yeah, I was looking at the Trade Day announcement when they were saying it, so. All positions must be closed from Lucid at 12:45 Eastern Time, PM. So 12:45 p.m. Eastern Time. And then 12:45 p.m. Eastern Time on Friday for on Lucid as well. So all right, Tony, thank you so much for being there. Thanks. All right, cool. Mr. Tactical, I'll do that. Okay, I'm just trying to send some money. There you go, Mr. Tactical. I just sent it, the Cash App. Boy, the market. So I look up, and it's, guess what it's doing? Nothing. It's barcoding, absolutely garbage. I think I'm gonna call it. Start the long weekend. Yes, happy thing. All right, great. You got it. All right, awesome, guys. Thank you so much for the support, guys. Like I said, use code PINE. If you guys are picking up any Black Friday sales, always use code PINE for all the props to help support this channel, help support what we do here, and the stream and everything. I greatly appreciate it. I am truly thankful. You guys are the reason why I am able to come on every night and stream and do this for a living. So pretty awesome. So I just locked in 2 Lucid payouts, I believe, and I just locked in. We got a payout going with the Take Profit Trader Pro accounts. So getting those daily payouts, can't really beat that. And yeah, so I think I'm gonna call it, guys. Happy Thanksgiving. This market is absolutely trash. I'd love to hang out with you guys for longer, but it's just trash. So we tried to take one trade there. We lost 150 bucks. Got chopped up, and that was it. So enjoy your holiday if you guys celebrate. And like I said, I really appreciate you guys. And I'll see you guys Sunday night. Sunday night. So I'm gonna take a few days of rest, and I'll be back Sunday night. So happy Thanksgiving, guys. Hopefully Sunday night the price action's a little bit better. I'm not expecting much Thursday or Friday. A lot of this. So alright, guys, trade safe. Stay tuned for the outro. Peace, guys. I'll keep you guys posted too if there's any good sales. Stay tuned for just look for my posts on X, Discord, and YouTube posts. Thanks, guys. Peace. See you guys. Thanks for being here.
That's a sign of a pause. The market's holding its breath. It's a break from the laws. Squeeze it up tight, coiling for a big move. I'm patient, I'm watching, got nothing to prove. Wait for the break, above or below. That's when I hit the gas, watch the profit grow. Apex funding on the line, my account's legit. Passing these challenges, ain't no time to quit. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play. Taking that funding, stacking up profit every day. Tree trader to take profit, we're on a roll. Stratify's the platform, we're in full control. Now let's talk about the outside bar, it's a different scene. It's It's a power move, a sign of something keen, engulfing the last one, showing dominance and might. The bears or the bulls, they're winning the fight. It's a reversal signal or a continuation of the trend. Gotta read the context all the way to the end. I'm with Take Profit Trader, they've got my back, giving me the capital, keeping me on track. No more small accounts, no more holding back. I'm a funded trader, there's no turning back. My trades are clean, my risk is tight. I'm living this life, shining so bright. Inside out, outside in, that's the way we play.